A tech tip real quick though, something I want to warn you guys about, got your meter, is with your meters, it's really important. So on this particular one, you cycle over, when you're at this continuity setting where it just says ohms, you're only able to read ohms. That does, you cannot read kilo ohms or mega ohms at that point. So if you're trying to read any kind of shorts to ground or anything, that might trip you up, because it may say OL, but it still be shorting to ground because it's a higher reading than this will allow you to read. So with a meter like this, make sure that whenever if you're manually selecting, go to or let it go to auto range on there. You see on the auto range it's showing millions of ohms, and that will actually adjust to if you have millions or kilo ohms or whatever. So on my personal meter that I use, I have a bench meter or a block meter, depending on how you want to call it, and what it does is I can manually select the range of my ohms. And so anytime I'm ohming something out like this, I always start at the highest range, and then if I see 0 ohms at the highest range, I step the range down until I get an actual usable reading I can do something with.